Happy Friday. Welcome to Fitness in a Flash. We made it, yay. For today, we're gonna do a little bit more cardio and leg work as well. So just for our warm up today, we're gonna start by doing taps to the side while touching your hands overhead, and then to the opposite side. Just tapping, warming up those legs and warming up those arms. Keep going. Pick up the speed a little bit if you want. So we're just gonna do this a little bit. All right. Keep going. A couple more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. For our first move, we're gonna do quick squats with our arms back. So you can put your legs a little less than hip width apart. We're gonna squat down, and then when we come up, we're gonna squeeze our shoulder blades back with our arms. So squat and squeeze. When you pop up, squeeze behind. We're gonna go a little bit faster, picking up the speed here. Making sure that the knees are behind the toes. Going. Try to keep your back straight as you squat down. All right, 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, for our next move, we're gonna do side kicks with punches. So we're gonna kick to the side while we punch and then kick to the other side. Kick and kick. And if you have limited space, you can just tap as well or do a smaller kick. Keep going. You can lift your leg a little higher. Kicking out. Keep going. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna go back to those quick squats, guys. Squat down, squeeze shoulder blades. You can go as fast or as slow as you want. Keep going, you can do it. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, going back to those kicks. Kick to the left, kick to the right. Keep going. If you want, you can pick up the speed a little bit. Keep punching. All right, few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so for our cool down today, we're gonna do a little bit of stretching. So we're gonna do a standing pigeon stretch. You're gonna put your leg onto your other leg, kind of at a 90-degree angle, and then squat down a little bit. And you can hold on to a table or chair if you want. Gives you a nice stretch here in the inner thighs and in the hips. We'll go to the other side. The lower you get, the better the stretch. All right, now we're gonna get down into a wide squat position and sink into our leg on the right, getting a nice, good stretch in the inner thigh. Switch to the other side. All right, gonna stand up straight, bring your arms down, overhead, take a nice deep breath in, and breath out. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you have a great day.